Hello everyone, welcome back to Outback Creation Australia. This is Manny and my wife Vanda, and this time we are going to TIbooburra from Broken Hill. And on these remote outback roads, always make sure the roads are open. So we are in front of this board just out of Broken Hill, and it tells you like the road from Broken Hill to Packsaddle is open, and then we're heading from Packsaddle to TIbooburra. And we will have our next stop in Packsaddle to fill up some fuel, because on these remote journeys, always make sure you got plenty of fuel in your car and water and some food. And the reason we're going to TIbooburra today is we are going to share the journey with you guys so you can enjoy the Australian outback. Plus, we're going to try to do some gold prospecting. There is a gold around TIbooburra, and we might find something. We might find something, and if I find something, that could be her next gold ring.
It could be.
Yeah.
We bought a metal detector. I'm willing to stand out there with the metal detector and have a look.
Have a look, see what happens.
And enjoy the day.
So when you watch our videos, please share it if you like it and give us a subscribe. And thank you for your company, and we'll see you in Packsaddle and maybe before that. Yeah, all right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hello guys, we are on our way to Packsaddle Roadhouse. We are almost halfway, and we just discovered some of these wildflowers on the side of the road, and I would like to showcase it. They are so beautiful. Alright, give me a second. We're heading back to the car now after discovering some wildflowers.
Red hops.
They were the red hops, were they?
Yeah, red hops with the red ones.
And what were the other ones?
I don't know what the other
They look like with Banksia or but
They look like Banksia, but they're not.
nah.
Really, really lovely.
Yeah,
It's worth stopping to have a look.
they were pretty. Oh, I enjoy your video, guys.
Just amazing.
going to show you some of the wildflowers here. We've been very lucky with the recent rains, and I show you some of the flowers you can see. I hope you guys enjoying the video. Keep watching, there's plenty more to see and do. Stay tuned and see you soon. Next spot. We are in Packsaddle now, and we're gonna get some fuel. Well, we're going in the Packsaddle Roadhouse now. What a beautiful place. You should visit here when you're in Broken Hill or surrounding next time. Hello boys.
Hey mate.
We're at Packsaddle.
We are at
Packsaddle.
Yeah.
And we're stuck here for a while. We can't get through the roads, and we talked about the creeks and how they fill up with water at the beginning of our journey, just outside of Broken Hill, on the road signs. And so this is one of the situations you get caught. And luckily we got caught here, where we can have a meal and sit and have a chat with some locals.
Yep. So you boys work here or work TIbooburra?
No, we're stuck here too.
That's why we were pointing at those signs before we come here. You need to make sure those signs are open. But I think this area has a bit more rain after, so it's closed now. So I'm just gonna go in the bar, maybe have a few drinks now while we're here. Hello, cat. She's enjoying Packsaddle too. Just gonna go inside. Before we go in, we'll make sure to put some hand sanitizer. Oh, this is a Packsaddle. Look at this. Isn't it stunning? You can have the fuel here, beers, drinks, chips.
Order your meal.
Order your meals.
Yep, and they've got a beautiful fire going. We'll dine in here. Watch your step. And they've got a lovely fire.
Oh, look at this. This is really Outback adventure, isn't it? Pretty.
Original old hats that you wear,
Yeah.
and some saddles for the horses. Beautiful fire.
Yeah, this is stunning.
So you can enjoy a lovely meal.
Yeah, nice window. You can see the road from here. Look at it. Amazing.
Probably draw your attention to the obvious link between those age groups and not their representation in cases, but their proportional over-representation when you consider how many people
You should stop here next time when you go to Australia. Hey, how are you, mate?
Good. Yourself?
Yeah, good, thanks, mate. We are at the Packsaddle Roadhouse now. In Australia, when you're driving, you shouldn't be drinking, but we are stopping here for next 3 or 4 hours because the road is closed. So we're just going to talk to Arnie. Arnie, so you run this place, yeah?
Oh, my wife does.
Does she?
Yeah.
Yeah, from how many years you are running Packsaddle Roadhouse?
17 years.
17 years now?
Yeah.
Is it? And many people go through here?
Fair few now, yeah, since they bitumised all the road.
Yeah?
Get quite a few through here.
Yeah, and I heard there's nice meals too here.
They're good feeds here.
Good feeds here.
Yeah, good feeds.
Yeah. So we are just trying to bring a positive light. There's plenty to see and do out there. We just need to wait for the right opportunity. Just follow your rules and regulations where you are. And when the time is right, just come down to the Outback and try the Packsaddle Roadhouse. It's a wonderful place. You want to say anything, Annie?
Come and have a cold beer, yeah.
Come and cold beer. I'm going to have one. Yeah. Thank you very much for the meal. The food was lovely and the service was wonderful. We'll be back soon.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes.
It was most welcome having you here. It's a pleasure.
And say thank you to Arnie for for inviting us.
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you.
And see you next time.
No worries.
See you.
Cheers.
Bye. Bye.